really loud. This is coming from my steering wheel panel. Again, my car is in park. There is no music. The keys are on drive. The car is running. I can move the wheel. Nothing. I'm gonna shift it to reverse. Okay. Nothing else. There it goes. All right.